People frequently ask us, which way is our sleeping mat supposed to be used? With the rubber-coated fabric facing up or down? Today we're going to answer that question once and for all. So this sleeping mat was originally designed in the 1980s in cooperation with and for the Finnish Defence Forces, whom specified that the rubber-coated fabric is supposed to face upwards to prevent the sleeping bag from sliding on top of it. So that's the history behind the design. But personally, I and many others have always used it this way around, simply because it's natural. It doesn't try to curl up on you when you lay it down on the ground. As you can see, it lays flat. So officially, Savotta's opinion on the matter is you can use this sleeping mat whichever way you like.